You're not seeing this video by accident. The universe has sent me to teach you how to remove bad energies, whether it's from people or even places that are dragging you down, draining you. And here's the fastest way to do it. Pull out a pen and paper, and whoever's affecting you, write their name down. It could be one name, it could be multiple names. If there's a place that you just visited, a mall or a concert that drained you, write that location down. As you write it down, now you bring the invisible into visible. That means you're bringing that energy from it being here, invisible, to paper. And now that paper contains that energy. Now when you have it, set an intention. I'm now ready to release all the energy from everything in this paper that's affecting me negatively. I'm releasing it now. And then get that paper and burn that paper. Because when you burn that paper, now you're transmuting that energy and it changes forms and it's now released from you because you put it from your heart and your energy to the paper, and when you burn it, it's now released and it's transmuted and neutralized. So do that and watch yourself feel better shortly after.